Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the 7 best motorcycles to buy when you're struggling. Number 7. BMW G310R. The BMW G310R has the sharp, modern styling you'd expect from a brand like BMW, yet it's surprisingly affordable. With a price around $5,200, it gives riders a premium badge and design without the luxury price tag. The muscular tank, LED lighting, and compact proportions make it look far more expensive than it is, and it turns heads even among bigger bikes. Powering. It is a 313 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that puts out about 34 horsepower. It's quick enough for highway speeds, but still friendly for city riding. The engine is liquid, cooled and fuel-injected, delivering smooth, predictable performance while keeping fuel use reasonable. The 6-speed gearbox shifts cleanly, and the clutch feel is light, making stop-and-go traffic far less tiring. The bike's handling is one of its strongest points. With a weight of around 164 kilograms, the G310R feels nimble and easy to control, especially for newer riders or those coming from smaller bikes. The suspension setup upside down, forks up front, and a monoshock at the rear gives its stability and precision through corners. Maintenance costs stay lower than most expect for a BMW thanks to simple design and long service intervals. It's built with everyday practicality in mind, offering solid comfort for both short and long rides. Overall, the BMW G310R gives you premium looks, solid performance, and long-term reliability without the premium cost. Number 6. Triumph Speed 400. The Triumph Speed 400 combines modern street styling with approachable performance for budget-conscious riders. Its design stands out with a muscular tank, sleek lines, and minimalistic detailing, making it look sharper than its price suggests. At around $5,900, it gives a taste of premium British engineering without demanding a huge investment. It's powered by a 400 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine producing about 41 horsepower and 27 pound-feet of torque. The engine is smooth and responsive, offering enough punch for city commuting and casual highway rides. Fuel injection keeps it efficient and maintenance light, while the 6-speed gearbox shifts precisely with a light clutch pull, easing the stress of traffic-heavy rides. The bike handles confidently thanks to a lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension. Upright seating and mid-mounted foot pegs create a comfortable posture for longer rides, and front and rear disc brakes with ABS provide predictable stopping power. Its weight balance makes it manageable for new riders while still fun for those with more experience. Parts and service costs are reasonable, and Triumph's growing support network in the US makes up hassle-free. Overall, the Triumph Speed 400 delivers style, reliability, and approachable performance in one package, making it a smart buy without stretching your budget. Number 5. Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X has a classic retro-inspired design that immediately catches the eye. With its round headlight, simple lines, and upright stance, it looks like a timeless street bike. And at around $4,300, it's extremely budget-friendly for riders in the US who want style without overspending. Power comes from a 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine producing roughly 24 horsepower and 15 pound-feet of torque. It's smooth, forgiving, and easy to manage, making it ideal for city commuting or weekend cruising. The 5-speed transmission shifts cleanly, and the light clutch pull reduces rider fatigue, while fuel efficiency keeps running costs very low. The engine's simple design also makes maintenance inexpensive and straightforward. The TU250X sits on a lightweight frame with Forgiving suspension, giving it easy, handling at low speeds, and stability on longer rides. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum, which provides sufficient stopping power for its class, while the upright seating position keeps comfort high even on longer trips. Overall, the Suzuki TU250X combines retro charm, reliability, and ease of use in one package, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a low-cost, dependable motorcycle. Number 4. Yamaha MT3. The Yamaha MT3 shows off aggressive, modern styling, with sharp lines and angular headlight, and a compact frame that gives it a sporty presence on the road. Priced around $4,900. It's one of the most accessible naked bikes in the US that still offers premium design cues and performance. Power comes from a 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine producing about 42 horsepower and 21 pound-feet of torque. The engine is responsive, smooth, and well suited for both city streets and highway stretches. Fuel injection keeps it efficient while the 6-speed transmission shifts cleanly, making it easy to handle traffic or longer rides. Its reliability record is strong, so maintenance and repair costs remain low over time. The MT3 sits on a lightweight frame with well-tuned suspension, providing stability and nimble handling. Upright seating and wide handlebars make the bike comfortable for daily commuting, while the brakes, equipped with ABS, provide predictable stopping power. Its low weight and balanced geometry also make it beginner-friendly without sacrificing fun for experienced riders. Parts are widely available and insurance is affordable, which adds to the bike's overall practicality. All in all, the MT3 combines sporty performance with efficiency and comfort, making it a versatile option for those who want a modern L-looking motorcycle on a budget. Number 3. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 stands out with its clean, minimalist design and classic cruiser proportions. The round headlight, narrow tank, and upright seating make it approachable yet stylish. Priced around $4,600. It's an affordable option for riders who want a dependable bike with timeless appeal. It's powered by a 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine producing about 20 horsepower and 20 pounds-feet of torque. The engine is smooth and easy to control, delivering enough power for city commuting and casual highway rides. Fuel injection ensures consistent performance, and the air oil cooling system keeps maintenance simple. Its reliability makes it a solid choice for anyone keeping an eye on long-term costs. Comfort is a key strength. The seat height is low. The foot pegs are positioned for relaxed riding, and the handlebars sit naturally for a stress-free posture. Suspension is tuned to handle potholes and uneven surfaces, and dual-channel ABS adds extra safety. The bike's balance and manageable weight make it suitable for both new and experienced riders. Service costs are reasonable and parts are easy to source, keeping ongoing expenses low. Its simplicity and durability mean fewer visits to the shop and more miles on the road. Overall, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 combines style, comfort, and dependable performance into one affordable package, making it an excellent choice for riders looking for a reliable, low-cost motorcycle. Number 2. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S makes a strong impression with its modern cruiser styling. Its stretch tank, sleek lines, and adjustable ergonomics give it a contemporary yet approachable look. With a price around $6,500, it offers a full-size cruiser experience without breaking the budget. The Vulcan S is powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine producing about 61 horsepower, and 47 pound-feet of torque. The engine delivers smooth, linear power, ideal for city streets and highway cruising. Kawasaki's reputation for reliability adds confidence, making it a practical choice for everyday riders. Comfort is a major focus. The adjustable seat, handlebars, and foot pegs let riders find a perfect fit for their height and posture. Suspension is balanced to handle both smooth and rough surfaces, and the bike's moderate weight makes it manageable at low speeds. Braking is strong and predictable, supported by ABS, adding a layer of safety for all riders. Parts and servicing are widely available, keeping maintenance affordable. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan S blends modern style, adjustable comfort, and reliable performance into an accessible cruiser, making it a smart buy for anyone seeking a dependable bike on a budget. Number 1. Yamaha Star 250. The Yamaha VAR 250 has classic cruiser styling that looks timeless. Its teardrop tank, low seat, and simple lines give it a strong presence on the road while remaining approachable for new riders. With a price around $4,000, it's one of the most affordable full-size cruisers available in the U.S., making it ideal for those watching their budget. Power comes from a 249 cubic centimeters VWIN engine, producing about 19 horsepower and 15 pound-feet of torque. The engine is smooth and manageable, perfect for city riding and short highway stretches. Fuel injection keeps performance consistent, and a low maintenance design ensures ongoing costs remain minimal. Its reliability is proven, giving riders confidence that it will keep running for years without major issues. Comfort is excellent for a bike this size. The low seat height and forward foot pegs create a relaxed riding posture, while the suspension absorbs road imperfections well. Braking is handled by front disc and rear drum setup, offering sufficient stopping power with predictable performance. Parts are inexpensive and widely available, and insurance is affordable, which makes overall ownership costs low. Overall, the Yamaha Star 250 combines classic styling, reliable performance, and affordability, making it one of the best motorcycles to buy when you want a dependable and low-cost ride. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.